Okay, done. Sorry, it stopped recording for a sec. Finally, we've been waiting like half an hour. Oh, that's so cool. Whoa. It's amazing.
There are a lot of them.
Hey, you're on camera.
Everyone had one line.
Look, what are they making? It's a heart.
Yeah, it's like a heart.
It is a heart.
Look at it. Oh, it's a red heart.
Oh, that's amazing. I waited so long for that. If it just ended now, I would still be happy. I'm still recording. I should put this on.
Are we calling them?
What do you mean calling them? It's here. Okay, they're forming. No, what are you? Patience. Sorry, my cousin. He's like crabby. What is that?
It's a ring, a diamond.
Oh, yeah, it's a diamond ring. Oh wait, I'm not looking at it. Sorry. Yeah, it's like a diamond ring. There's someone over there. All right, chill out. Yeah, don't be like Leighton and scream all the time.
Oh yeah.
She's my other cousin that's not here. It's not one of my usual plane spotting videos, but I need something. This is a long. I don't know. Don't know how much memory I'm gonna have on my phone.
So the one that's up there, he's just
Oh yeah. Oh wait, where is he? Oh, if you can see that, that's like a tiny flash. There's like another drone, like recording or something. Oh, what is? It's like two. Yeah, how did they do that? Like it's like it stops. Like they have to program this stuff. What is that? It's like a wheel on a wheel. That's actually amazing. Yeah. Well, I mean, this is why they spent all that time. That we've waited for like half an hour, guys. I'm posting this on YouTube and Facebook. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't get a good angle. I need something like, yeah, there's not much else to see, guys. It's so dark out. Like, I mean, that's it. Oh, what is that? Alright, hang on. I'm just gonna move over. What is that? That's like a bow or something? Oh, okay. Okay. I do. Oh, it's like marrying? It's like love or something. Oh, so it's gotta be like, I don't know, marriage or something? Is that the theme of this? See that? Maybe they're like practicing propose. Yeah, there's a practice. It's not an actual show. I'm not sponsored by them. I'm gonna say that. Ouch. No. Shoot. By the way, you guys like my new camera quality? I got the new iPhone SE. What is that? It's like is it a face? Oh, they're bells. Ah. That's so cute. I'll go away, whatever notification I have. Man, who is gonna watch this on Facebook? Sorry if the commentary is annoying that I'm making, by the way. Oh, no. But hold on, Logan. Whoa, what is that? Whoa. It's like a swarm of wasps, by the way. That's what this sounds like. They're all landing, I think. So see that over there? That's the hangars. We've got the drones up there. We've also got that light. Thank you for providing some orientation of where the ground is. Oh no, I think they're landing. This is what they did at the start. Really hear that guy on the right. See, he's flashing red. Alright, switch. Oh, there's someone over there. Let me just try and zoom in. Oh, it doesn't work. Why does my camera not work? Why is it? Oh, yeah, see someone over there? There's someone over there.
Yes, we see him. On the ground.
Okay, they're all like lining up, but I don't know, not moving. That guy up there is moving. Yeah, I guess. Oh, they're landing. Oh yeah, sorry. If you hear my cousin, he's like, "Oh, it's cold out. We really want to go." It's really dark and cold, but it's fun. I like this. Okay, I think that's it. I'm gonna guess. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna assume that this is done. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, sorry that's like that's pretty long. No camera cut. Oh yeah, see, all the lights there just turned off. Anyways, thank you. Bye. Okay, we're back. Oh no, turn on. Okay, we're back. It just stopped recording for like a second, but we're back. You didn't miss too much. They got back in the air. We've been here for like half an hour, and they just got back in the air. It's so dark out, I know, but all you can see is the drones, and that's fine, even though it's they're focused. But see that? Oh, that's so cool. I'm sorry. Oh. Sorry if that happened. Alright, so it's, what are they, is that, I don't know what they're making. What is that? Oh, sorry, that wasn't all the way, like, facing up. I don't know what they're making. It's a oh, it's a balloon. No, balloon. Oh, it's a color changing balloon. Oh, sorry. It's apparently a, oh, shoot, sorry, I covered my camera. Oh. This video may be long. It's an arrow? pointing. It's pointing. It's like an arrow. So it's pointing to there, but there's nothing there. It's pointing. Alright, it's an umbrella. Get out of here, I'm recording. It's a race car somewhere. There is someone out there, but you can't see it. Sorry, it's so loud, race car. Such loud. Get out of here, noobs. Pointing. I don't know what to. There's no other thing down there. Get out of here. It's a car in the distance. What is that? It's I don't know what that is. Is it like a cube? Oh, sorry, it's not. My camera keep getting out of angle. I need like a stand. Oh yeah, and that drone's back. That drone you've already seen. Oh, is it a present? I think it might be supposed to represent a present of some kind. Or something else. I don't know. Oh, sorry, dang camera. This is so high up. Like, I have to angle my phone. I'm like on this bench here, and like I have to angle my phone so far up. It's unreal. But I hope you guys are enjoying that. I hope you guys are enjoying this. What is that? H. Is that supposed to be like an H, or is that? What is that? HHN? I don't know. That's HBD. HBD?
Happy birthday?
Maybe. Oh, that explains like the present, I guess. HBD, so happy birthday, I guess. So I guess that's their birthday thing. We saw the wedding last time. Uh-oh. Okay, so I think they're gonna land again. That's quite interesting, though. I really like these shows. But I think that's it for the night. I think that they're just gonna, like, pack up and stuff. But this is really cool. Sorry if you've heard, like, any other voices. That's my grandparents and my cousin. They're all, like, behind me. Watching this. Oh yeah, that guy is up there. If you can, yeah, that tiny flashing dot, that's him. Sorry if this is blurry. I don't know why that is. Why is it blurry? Like focus? I have no idea. Woo! Oh, sorry. Alright, so that's them. They can turn off.